Oh, hey, buddy. What are you doing here? What's all this in your car? Where'd you get all this from? Why have you got the bat signal? What if they need to call you? How are they going to get hold of you? Where did you get that from anyway? How long have you had a proper bat signal? From who? So you're too busy, so you took it, yeah? Well, someone needs your help. God. Can I take that back with me? And then just in case I need to get hold of you? Thank you. What else have you got in here? Look, where did you get this bag from? He left this for another dog to find, you know that? Have you already eaten some of it? Who gave you this? Who gave you that? What's it for? Who gave this to you? Is that how you got here? Have you got your own back post now, have you? So who else has given you fuel? Really? You're lucky, aren't you? So how's the crime fighting? You've got a collar which looks just like Sherpa's. How is that? How is that possible? Because you don't look anything alike, do you? Okay, so I'll take your bat signal home, and then at least if I need to get hold of you. What was that? That's really unprofessional. Might have kids watching this. Are you washing your paws? How do you actually ride with that? I think we need to get you a new back car. Like a back truck or something. How cool is that? We could have like bull bars on the front, can't we? And then you can run all the zombies down. And you can keep all your stuff in the back. How cool does that sound? Okay. I'll have a look. What have you got to say to everyone? And anything else? So that's it. Alright, give us about a 5. Yeah, good boy. That's it. Okay, you can carry on with your day now. Go and kill a zombie. Go and fight zombies then? Yeah, and we'll see you again soon. didn't get very far, did you?